Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we have a pencil set that cost me around $8, which is about £6 here in the UK. It took about 12 days to arrive, which is pretty good. Free postage. Let's take out the bag. It came with a carry case and then all the pencils and the bits and bats. I'm not sure why the pencils weren't in here when it came, but whatever. We've got to have a look at what we've got. First we'll open the case, which unfolds, as you can see. Put all our pencils and things along here. We have two rubbers. That's a weird... Actually, I don't know if that is a rubber. Oh yeah, it is. It's a kneaded eraser. You can actually knead it and bend it, which is strange. I've never seen one of them before. And then we have what I assume is just a regular rubber. And here we have... So we have all our pencils. Your 2B, your 3B, 2H, your HBs, neutral, whatever that is, your soft C7 300, whatever that is, no idea what these are. These are not for me. I'm not a drawer. They're a gift for someone else. And I don't really know what all these numbers and letters mean, as you can probably tell. This is one of the pencils. Hopefully you can see that. It does have some Chinese symbols on it, which looks kind of cool. I'll just turn that the other way around. Yeah. Anybody watching that knows anything about drawing will know what these are all for. You can see I can't sharpen any because, like I said, they're not for me. They're a gift for someone else. So we've got all them. These, I believe, are for creating shading. You draw something with a pencil, and you take one of these and you rub the pencil line just to give it a shaded edge or something. I'm sure you know what I mean. You get 3 of those, different sizes. You get a knife for sharpening your pencils. I think a lot of us would use a regular pencil sharpener, but artists would probably, you know, cut a sharp edge on their pencils using a blade. And then this, I'm not sure what this is, but at a guess, I think it might be for when, once your pencil gets so far down, you'll put it inside of here, and that'll give you, you know, some extra length on it. So you can use the pencil right down to the end. I think that's what it's for. If that's not what if that isn't what it's for, leave a comment below if you know different. So yeah, I'm going to put them all in here and wrap it up as a Christmas present for someone. And I think they'll be really chuffed with that. I think for $8, I think that's a bargain. I really do. They feel quality. They don't feel rubbish at all, and all the printing is perfect. It's brilliant. So I don't expect them to draw any less than perfect. Of course, if you're a rubbish drawer like me, then they're useless. But to someone that can draw the perfect. There's links and info in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.